Today I'm going to work on getting that broken bolt out of the frame. I'm going to blow it out with my plasma cutter, and I'm going to make a hanger for the right-hand tailpipe. I blew that bolt out with the plasma cutter, retapped the hole. I just kind of blew it out the center and then just took a hammer and a chisel and tapped it in, and then got the pieces out and ran a tap through it so I wouldn't screw up the threads in it. You know, so I could reuse the same bolt hole. But I had a hanger that I kind of been modifying. I just kind of cut it down, and that's where it's going to bolt to the chassis through there. And I'm going to just bolt this on and hang the pipe and see how it looks, and if it looks good I'm going to weld that up solid. I'll weld a little piece of steel in there, you know, give it some strength and give it a good solid weld up. That's kind of what the hanger looks like right now. I had to turn the clamp a little bit so it didn't hit the frame in there. It was rattling on the frame when it was straight up and down. I don't think that'll make any big difference. But the tailpipe looks pretty good. I think I'm going to weld that hanger up solid, and tack the tailpipe. Before I tack tailpipe, I'm going to bolt the bumper on and look at the pipes, and then I'm going to jack the axle up until it lifts the car off the jack stands, make sure everything still clears. Alright, there they go. They look pretty darn good sticking out the back. So I'm going to... They look pretty even. The bumper's just haphazardly bolted on. So I think I'm going to jack up the axle, and if it all clears good, I'm going to tack this tailpipe and weld that, take that bracket back off and weld it up solid. There we be, got it all welded up 100%. Looks really good. Completely installed. Got a undercarriage is pretty much well done. I got to put the axle shafts, the rear brakes on, and overhaul the carburetor, and it should be done mechanically. Here's one of my homemade hangers. There's the other one. Yeah, I think it looks mighty fine. Pretty happy with it. I painted the back part of the frame. This is the license plate light here that screws into the bumper. But yeah, it painted up nice, so it's all ready to start tackling the cosmetics as soon as we get it moving. Yeah, I know this is kind of a short video, but I just wanted to wrap it up. It's, you know, just put the exhaust on, finished welding it up, painted that back a little bit. All came out pretty darn nice. So next is, hopefully the seals come tomorrow for the axle shafts, so I can get the axles, backing plates, brakes, get them bled. I'll rebuild the carburetor. There's no gas in the fuel tank. I got to put some gas in it, and then we'll get it, see if we can get it fired up and get all the fluids. You know, I got to check transmission fluid and, you know, fill that as I get it going, and the radiator and power steering, and yeah, everything mechanically has been gone through. It's been resealed or rebuilt, or whatever needed to be done has been done. So when I get it out on the road, I'm going to have to break it in. It's going to be like a brand new car. But again, you know, it's going to be kind of a short video, but I just wanted to wrap up what I was doing. And if you like the video, hit the like button. It definitely helps. And if you want to see this thing up and running, hopefully by the end of the weekend or early next week, subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. I just wanted to add this little bit of video. That was my dad's first car, a '39 Ford. It said, I graduated from high school in 1953 and purchased my first car. Drove it to Fort Wilkins and MSU for 3 years, then moved up to a 1951 Ford. says May 1st, 1953, Fort Wilkins State Park, 39 Ford and free canoe. Worked at Fort Summers 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55.